Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the new IK system in Godot 4.6. Before we get started, this video assumes that you already have a 3D model that is rigged with a skeleton, and you have your skeleton 3D node in the scene. To get started, click Add on your skeleton 3D node, type in IK. You'll see that we actually have three different options here. I like the CCD IK as it allows for simple constraints and is good for arms and legs on a character. For an unconstrained chain, go with Fabric, and for a more organic look, go for Jacobian. But for this tutorial, I'll just be going with CCD IK. The setup will be the same across all of them. Once you've added your IK node, click Settings, Add Element. We need to select a target mode. This is going to be a 3D object that our bones point to. So here I just have an empty 3D node that I've named Left Arm Target that's outside of my model. So we can assign our left arm target. Now we need to select a root bone and an end bone. If we go to our skeleton, I'm going to be selecting the left arm bone as the root bone and the left hand bone as the end bone. So root bone, left arm, and end bone, left hand. Now you can see our hand shoots up to the target. And now we can move around our left arm target. You can see it properly adjusts to wherever our target is. As you may have noticed, right now our shoulder actually has no limitation, so we can just move it all around like this. That's not correct. To fix this, head back to our IK node. Inside of limitation, select joint limitation cone. You'll see that we have a cone here that pops up on our shoulder. We can select the angle that we want to limit at. If I set it to 180 degrees, we can go back to our left-hand target. You'll see that it obeys the limitation angle. And we can do the same thing for all the other bones. So just go below the left arm limitation to the left forearm limitation and add a cone. Anyways, guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.